My kids are on the attack. Their war cry. Dad, give us boiled eggs! It's a critical mission, and frankly, I'm at my wit's end. Ha! You know how it is, right? How incredibly annoying boiling eggs can be. I mean, look at the standard method. Take the eggs out of the fridge and leave them at room temperature for 30 minutes. Who has time for that? The kids are demanding them right now. So, I had a thought. What about the microwave? The gift of modern engineering for fast cooking. It heats water molecules efficiently with minimal energy loss, allowing for rapid heating. And you know I'm kidding, right? Putting eggs in the microwave is absolutely prohibited. It's right up there with sharp metal and sealed jars. It's not just dangerous, it's a nightmare to clean up. So many people try it, thinking, oh, I'll just poke a hole in the yolk. Don't. Even if you just put the egg whites in, they will explode. I've done it, so please don't try this at home. It was a very sad day. Anyway, the real secret weapon to make boiled eggs super fast is this guy right here. The pressure cooker. We're talking 120 degrees Celsius, 2 atmospheres of pressure. A speed that puts a regular pot to shame. But will the eggs survive this extreme environment? Will they turn into egg soup? Or will this be a boiled egg revolution? Let's find out. Okay, before we start the experiment, let's cover the basics of what I like to call egg engineering. Do you know why eggs crack when you boil them? People always say eggshells are super strong, that theoretically they can withstand 1.3 tons of pressure. They say a car could drive over one without breaking it. Pfft. Don't make me laugh. I guarantee you the person who came up with that theory has never boiled an egg in their life. This is reality. One little tap and crack. 1.3 tons? That's only when pressure is applied evenly from the outside. Boiling is a different story entirely. Expansion happens on the inside. The egg whites cook and expand, and the little air sac inside starts shouting, "Let me out!" and pushes, causing it to crack from the inside. But the real culprit is something else. You see, those eggs you buy at the supermarket, they are already wounded soldiers. From the farm, onto the truck, the store, and into your shopping cart. They develop microscopic hairline cracks. I know this from personal experience. You might remember when I tried to make golden eggs by spinning them at high speed. I realized then that 10 to 20% of eggs already have cracks. How did I know? Because even after I tried to filter out the bad ones with a flashlight, as soon as I started spinning them, the ones with hairline cracks would explode or spew liquid all over the house. It happened so many times. Looking back, the cleaning was just endless. So the big question is there a way to level up these weak, wounded soldiers and turn them into tough, perfectly boiled eggs? Especially when you've got hungry kids screaming for them. Well, we're going to find out. To be continued in the next episode. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for the big reveal.